Ready to ditch the generic invites and craft a birthday landing page that screams you. Let's jump into creating a personalized birthday page using carrd.co. First, head over to carrd.co and hit that Choose a Starting Point button. Don't worry, you don't need to be a design guru. Carrd makes it super simple. For ultimate customization, let's start with a blank canvas. Click on blank canvas it's like a digital playground waiting for your creative touch. Now, click that big plus icon to add elements. Think of this as your birthday Lego set. You can add text, images, videos, buttons the works. To showcase the birthday star, let's add an image. Select image from the elements menu. Upload a fantastic photo of the birthday person. Tweak the size and placement until it looks perfect. Time for some birthday greetings. Add a text element and type in your celebratory message, like happy birthday name. Customize the font, size, and color to fit your style. Add a button that links to your RSVP form or a party details page. Customize the button text and link it to the appropriate URL. Arrange your elements to create a visually appealing layout. Carrd's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to experiment. Once you're happy with your creation, hit that Publish button. Give your page a catchy title and a unique URL. Now, share your personalized birthday page with everyone.